Good morning, welcome back to the app. Today I am going to do a review on Yum car products. I spoke to you about a while ago. To start with, we're going to do the wheels with the wheel cleaner, and then we're going to citrus spray it, snow foam it, and wash it all with Yum products. Please remember, if you want to buy some Yum products, highly recommend their bundles. It's some really good deals on the bundles. You get a bit of everything, so you can try it, see how you get on. Remember to go to yumcars.co.uk/yum/1393. Right, with further ado, let's get on. As you can see, Yum wheels, basically just spray it all over the wheels, and it's a new canister, so just got to prime it up. There you go. Quite liberal with it to get a good coating. We'll leave that dwell for 5 minutes, and then we come back and have a look. As you can see, that's working well now. It's been on there about 3 minutes. This one here is called Underdress, which is for tyres. Cleans the tyres as well, so just spray it all over the tyres. You can go and do the under tray with it as well. And just leave that on there for, and then get your jet wash and wash it up. Once you've got all the main grime off, just give it a light mist in. Get a soft wheel brush, just load the wheel brush up a little bit, and then start agitating your wheels just to give them a final clean. Trouble with these spoke wheels, they take companion in the arse really. So the bigger, less spokes you have in a wheel, the better they are to clean, aren't they? Always start with the valve so you know where your start and finish points are. Let's get a little bit more underdress. There you go. Let's give your tyres a quick whiz as well. If it's just a maintenance wash, that's all you need to do, but if you're doing a decontamination wash for a full valet, then I suggest using abrasive, harder brush to clean the tyres up, so when you get round to the tyre shine, it sits better on the car. And then there you go folks, one clean wheel. Let's get on with the rest of the wheels and then we'll get to the citrus spray. is the citrus. Always start from the bottom and work your way up. By doing it that way, you don't get any streaks. A lot of people start from the top and wonder why they're getting streaks, and they find them hard to get off from the bottom. Just from the bottom like that. Bottom half of the van, you don't need to do the rest. And make sure you get equal coverage when you do it. Just add it to your wheels as well, just give them an extra clean. This is pH neutral, just help pH neutral the vehicle back to what it was. And go around the whole car. Now for the fun part, the snow foam. You've got to enjoy doing this. Right, the idea is to let it dry out as long as possible. This time of year when it's not so hot, bearing in mind it is a nice day for a change since we've had rain in Cornwall for about 55 days on the trot. It's nice to see a dry day. Even though it's still a bit chilly, you can let this dry out for a while, but in the summer you've got to watch it because you don't want this to dry. In the summer your dwell time cuts down quite a bit, but there again the vehicle's not as dirty in the summer as it is in the winter. So basically it's been citrus sprayed over the top with Yum foam, let it dwell, and then wash it off. Some say when you want to do start from the bottom and work your way up. The way I see it is the citrus and the foam works well together and it's running all the dirt down the vehicle off. So if you start spraying up, when the dirt is loosened, you're putting the dirt back in, forcing the dirt back into the paintwork, which can damage your paintwork. So if you wash it down, you're following the natural reaction of the dirt coming off the vehicle. Right, that's the pre-wash all done. Now we're going to do the contact wash. I'm using my rod, my microfiber pad today to start pre-washing with Yum Reset today. There we are, maintenance wash all finished. Let's go around and have a look and see what we got. Lovely shiny wheels. Right, thank you for watching. That is the maintenance wash all done and done for now. Thank you for watching. It's very much appreciated. Please like, share, even comment what you've seen today. Comment what you think of the wheel cleaner, what you think of Yum products altogether. Very much appreciated. I'm glad for you watching. For a discount, please go to yumcars.co.uk/yum/1393. Earn yourself a little bit discount. Seriously look at their bundles, because their bundles will give you like a decon kit or a complete car wash kit. It's worth buying. I highly recommend the product. Not a lot else out there that can clean like this stuff can. So it's yumcars.co.uk/yum/1393. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.